Good morning, bunnies. Today we're going to make a hair painting. And for that, you're going to need a worksheet like this. Mommy or daddy will help you to draw a face. Let's draw a face, okay? We're gonna do it like this. And for that, you're going to need also a straw and your paints. You can use the three of them or you just can choose one. I'm just gonna choose the yellow one. I'm going to put some drops here around the head. And with your straw, you have to blow so you can form the hair of the boy or the girl, like this. Now it's your turn. Let's try it.